And in terms of flow, in the real-time compute is you sample the audio, you create the spectrogram, which is essentially a fancy word for frequency analysis. You convert that into ML model, and then if my ML model says, yes, this is my wake word, like hey Google or hey Alexa or hey Rohit or Dr. Piyush, it wakes up and starts listening to the next command or sound. So that's the wake word detection, and again, it's the same thing. Another flow of bunch of algorithms, STFT, and then you have convolutions and mathematics, linear algebra, matrix multiplication, convolution, transpose, and such. And so these are sort of done in series, one after the other, and you have at the end of this neural network a probability that somebody said that wake word or not. That's the second one, and there is an entire chapter devoted to that, which is chapter 4, and it has audio wake word detection starting at page 38. So you would see, next 15 to 20 pages just for this application, and it has two approaches to it. One is no-code approach, the other one is low-code approach. And you pick your battles as to where you want to go to create that. I would encourage. So let me see if I can show you guys. So if you have time, I want you to sign up for this platform, and let me show you right now how that thing works. So I'm already signed in. If you go on to the playground and then click on this, which is your audio wake word detection. So if you click on that, you will see these two screens, right? And right now they won't work for me because my microphone is used by the webinar that I'm currently holding. But what you have to do is to sort of record your sound, which is audio hardware, in the background, and then click train. And on the next screen, you will see test screen, which is essentially your audio testing. So when you're done creating the model, let me go back. So here you will say, for example, wow, 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 and then you will say it like few times, 50 to 100 times. And here on this screen, you will say anything other than wow. And so wow is our keyword. And when you are done creating that model, when you hit training takes about a minute or two, then you go on the test screen. And in this, we will, let's see if it works. I'm not sure, but let's take our chances. Wow. Today is Thanksgiving. Wow. Let's test this on the model that we already trained and see how that comes around, right? So while this is working its way to the test, let's move on to the person detection. So this is vision. So far we have covered two applications. One is your sign language detection. The second is audio wake word detection. This one is we're moving to vision, which is sort of capturing the camera and identifying what is in the frame. So, okay, so we are here. So let's see. I'm going to play the audio waveform, and these green bars essentially, they represent whether the keyword wow was detected or not. So the keyword was detected from here to here in the waveform, and then in the end. So let me play the entire waveform so that you can see. Wow. Today is Thanksgiving. Wow. So it did detect. Right now, this is no-code approach to creating a smart speaker like Hey Google or Wow or Hey Dr. Piyush or what, right? When you are done with this kind of experimentation, you pick your board and such. For example, you can use Raspberry Pi or Arduino Nano, and then you say, okay, I'm going to download the library or the entire binary. And when you do that, you can compile, and then it will give you the entire binary on demand within few seconds. Right now it's compiling as we speak, and in few seconds we will have the entire binary. So this is our binary that you can open and look. And I think I did for a .a, which you have to do create the entire application on top of this. So there's a README that you can read how to use it and such. So it's as easy as that. Even if you did not know anything about the spectrogram and this and that, all you have to do is to record a bunch of your hot words and download the application and start running on Raspberry Pi or some of these boards. So please do sign up and encourage your friends to sign up. It's a wonderful board that the online platform that we are putting a lot of effort into, and of course your feedback is always welcome. If you happen to run into problems, then you can ask for help right on the platform where it says feedback.
So we have some more questions.
Sure.
So let's take up few questions.